Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. Now let's create this part. So by using only these two views, now let me enter into here new part. Let's say okay. As you can see, only we are having here two views. So front view and top view we are having. By using these two views, we need to analyze the drawing and we need to create part model here. Now this base we are having material with a diameter of 95. So if they have given dimension in diameter, already we know that shape will be with circular shape. Now, so if you want to add material with this circle shape along with this guide curve, directly we are having one option called swept boss with circular profile. But we don't have any dimension for this center curve dimensions, but we are having dimension for this outer curve dimension. Now, instead of creating this central curve, we are going to create this outer curve here. On front plane, we will go for sketch. With reference to somewhere one center point, we are having one center point arc with radius of 125. So we need one center point arc exactly from origin with reference to this horizontal to properly vertical. Dimension for this we are having radius of 125. From here we are having one horizontal line and from here we are having one vertical line. From here we need one vertical line. Then from here we are having one horizontal line. Dimension from this starting point to end point of the line we are having 495. From here to this point we are having length of 495. From base to this top, already we know this diameter is 95, so direction dimension also it will be 95. From here we are having extra 65. 95 plus 65 we will get here total 160. From this to this point here 160 we want. Relation between this to this we need here tangency. Same here also we need tangency. Then we will get here fully defined profile. Let's make it here exit sketch isometric. Now we need to add material with a diameter of 95 along with this guide curve. So directly if you go for swept boss with the circular profile with diameter of 95, we are getting pipe section, but we are having these dimensions for this outer curvature. If you go directly here with a swept circular profile, that guide profile will act like exactly at center, but we don't want here this one. So manually we need to create one sketch at this end. So to create one sketch at end, we need some proper support. For that, we will go here with reference plane. We need one plane normal to this line exactly at this point. So just I have selected line and point. One plane will be created normal to that. So if you want, we can adjust the size of the plane like this, or else later we will hide that. We will go for sketch on this plane, and then whatever the sketch we are going to create, it will be here. Make it normal. Just we need one circle somewhere here. Let me create one circle. Dimension for this circle we are having diameter of 95. Now if I see from front, this circular profile should be above this guide profile. Why? Because already we have created this guide profile as lower one. Material should be added upside. We should not make this to this coincident. We need to apply relation between this point to this curvature. We need here coincident like this. Now that extra material will be added above that curvature. Exit sketch. Make it isometric. Now we need to add material with this profile along with the center guide curve. We can go here with swept boss. Sketch profile is this. Then guide curve is this. With reference to that, properly material will be added like this. Let's say, okay. Let me hide this plane. We don't want this plane. Then this base part we have created. Still we are having here 3 cylinders which is having this outer diameter of 95, same equal to this. So we need to add material from here. Why? Because directly we can't create sketch on this curvature face. We will go for sketch on this flat face. Make it normal. We need one circle here. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 95. Then relation between this point to this point, we need here horizontal relation, and this will be able to move in horizontal axis. Dimension from this point to this point we are not having here directly, but total length we are having 380. It means this is the first gap, this is the second gap, this is the third gap. So total we are having here 3 parts. If we make 380 by 3, we can get this gap distance. So we can give dimension from this point to this. We are having here 380 by 3. Same sketch here only we can make it pattern, or else later by using linear pattern also we can do. So let me make now itself this sketch. We need to make this linear sketch pattern. So total we need 3 with a distance of 380 by 3. Let's say okay. Just if we try to move this, it will be moving. Again we need to provide dimension from this to this. We need here 126.67. Let's make it here exit sketch, isometric, extruded boss in reverse direction. We need material only up to next. Properly material will be added up to that cylinder part like this. But now entire thing we have created like a solid body, but inside we are having hollow section with a diameter of 85. Same for the small cylinders also we are having hollow with a diameter of 85. So if you make 95 minus 85, we need difference of 10. So thickness will be taken on one side. So 95 minus 85, you will get difference of 10. Thickness will be we are having 5. So directly we can go here with shell. By selecting all the spaces here, we need to remove material by leaving thickness of only 5. Let's say properly that material will be removed here. Then last we'll go for this step. From this top face we need to add material with this shape. Now on this top face we'll go for sketch, make it normal. Here we are having exactly center point of this one circle and one more circle here. Then to make mirror easy, let's create one horizontal construction infinite length from this point, then one vertical line from this point. Then dimension for this outer curve we are having radius of 55. Dimension for this, mouse right click, we need radius of 55. Dimension for the small curve we are having radius of 15. Let's give diameter of 30 and let's convert into radius. Select the dimension, mouse right click, make it here display as radius. Then this point should be exactly on this line, will make it coincident. We need one inclined line tangent to this, tangent to this. So let's create one line like this. Relation between these two, we need tangency. Relation between these two, we need tangency. Same line, we need opposite side, make it mirror with reference to vertical axis. Then again mirror all these three things, we need to make mirror with reference to horizontal axis. Then dimension from this center point to this center point, this distance we are having here 190. 190. Let's drag this little to make trim easily. So we'll go for quick trim. We'll trim this unwanted elements. We don't want this circle shape. Then same downside also we don't want this. Now escape. We'll try to move here. tangency relation. We'll try to move here, tangency relation. Same here also, tangency relation. Same here also, tangency relation. Then here also I'll repeat the same, tangency. Here also I'll repeat tangency. Then along with this, we need to make this hollow of this central one. So directly we can go for convert entitles. We'll convert this inside circle, then it will come hollow shape. Now also we can make it here itself pattern, or else later we can make it here pattern. So let's create here itself entire this thing. We need to make linear sketch pattern with a dimension of 380 by 3, like that. Total we need here 4. Let's say okay. Or else just I'll go back, exit sketch, isometric, extruded boss. This extruded boss height they have not specified here. Let's take it here some 15. Let's say okay. Now this entire block we can make it here pattern. So we'll go for linear pattern with reference to this. Total we need here 4 with a distance of 380 by 3, like this, and let's say okay. Then holes we want, hole diameter we are having 15, exactly center point of this, diameter 15, depth up to next, position from this face, exactly center of this from here, let's say okay. Same hole we need this side, we can make it here again pattern. So here we don't have any axis lines. First direction we can make it with reference to this. Feature to pattern is this hole, total 4 holes. But in second direction, if you want to mention here, we don't have any reference. So we can use here help of planes. So like this it is coming. So we need in this direction. If I make it front plane, it will come in this. So total how many we want here instances? Total 2 instances we want. Distance of 190 from hole to hole like this. Let's say. So if you make here control plus 1 front view, and if I make cut section properly, this shape we will get. And if you make here top view, let me turn off section view, this is the shape we want. So I hope you have understood this 3D modeling, how to create this particular part. And if you really like this video, please like the video and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you.